Coral bells, Heuchera, can be grown from seeds, but it's important to note that they may not come true to the parent plant, so the resulting plants may have different characteristics. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow coral bells from seed. 1. Collect seeds or buy them. You can collect seeds from existing coral bell plants if they have produced seed heads. Alternatively, you can purchase coral bell seeds from a reputable nursery or online supplier. 2. Prepare the planting container. Coral bell seeds can be started indoors in late winter or early spring. Use a seed tray or small pots with drainage holes. Fill the containers with a well-draining seed starting mix. 3. Sow the seeds. Scatter the coral bell seeds evenly on the surface of the seed starting mix. Do not cover them with soil, as they need light to germinate. You can lightly press them into the mix to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. 4. Provide adequate moisture. Mist the surface with a spray bottle to moisten the soil. Or you can water gently from the bottom by placing the seed tray in a shallow tray of water. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. 5. Maintain temperature and light. Place the seed tray or pots in a warm location with indirect sunlight. A temperature between 60°F and 70°F, 15°C to 21°C, is ideal for germination. You can cover the containers with a clear plastic lid or plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect, which helps maintain humidity. Remove the cover once seedlings start to emerge. 6. Transplant seedlings. Once the seedlings have 2 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. This usually takes several weeks. Carefully lift the seedlings from the seed tray or pots, being sure not to damage the roots. Transplant them into larger pots or directly into your garden. Space them about 12 to 18 inches apart, as coral bells need some room to grow. 7. Harden off and plant outdoors. Before planting your coral bells in the garden, they need to be acclimated to outdoor conditions. This process is called hardening off. Gradually expose the seedlings to outdoor conditions over the course of a week, starting with a few hours of sunlight and gradually increasing the time. Choose a well-draining location in your garden with partial to full shade for planting. 8. Care for mature plants. Once established in the garden, coral bells require regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Apply a layer of mulch to help retain moisture. Fertilize them with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring. Coral bells may need dividing every few years to maintain their vigor. Growing coral bells from seeds can be a rewarding experience, but it requires patience and attention to detail. Keep in mind that it may take a couple of years for the seedlings to reach maturity and display their full foliage and flower color.